Hello, friends. Welcome back. I'm your host, Tony. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for our personal and professional lives. We're talking about emotional intelligence, or EQ. Emotional intelligence is our ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others. It's a critical skill that impacts our relationships, our success at work, and our overall well-being. But what happens when there's a lack of emotional intelligence? Well, that's where problems can arise. Without emotional intelligence, we may struggle to understand our own feelings, let alone the feelings of others. This can lead to misunderstandings, conflicts, and strained relationships. Let's take a professional setting as an example. Imagine a manager who lacks emotional intelligence. They may not understand why their team is underperforming and may resort to blame or criticism, which only demoralizes the team further. The manager might not realize that the team's morale is low due to high stress levels or a lack of clear communication. So how can we solve this problem? How can we improve our emotional intelligence? Firstly, it starts with self-awareness. Pay attention to your emotions. Notice how they make you feel and how they affect your thoughts and actions. Try to understand why you're feeling a certain way. Is it a response to a specific event, or is it something deeper? Next, work on managing your emotions. This doesn't mean suppressing them. It means understanding them and responding to them in a healthy way. This could involve taking a few deep breaths when you're feeling stressed, or talking to a friend or a mental health professional when you're feeling down. Then, try to develop your empathy. Put yourself in other people's shoes. Try to understand their perspective and respond with kindness and compassion. This can help improve your relationships and reduce conflicts. Finally, work on your social skills. This involves effective communication, conflict resolution, and being a good listener. These skills can help you build strong, healthy relationships both personally and professionally. Remember, improving emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and practice, but it's a journey worth taking, because emotional intelligence can lead to better relationships, better decision-making, and a better quality of life. That's all for today's episode. I hope it's given you some insights into the importance of emotional intelligence and some practical tips to improve it. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.